right, so let me just show you how to do your projects. You click here and go to Projects. And if you look at the schedule, you'll see the first project down here due is W101, which you should try to get by next week, although we won't count it late until later in the semester because people might still be adding. But to stay on track, you should do W101. So let's take a look at that. Go to Projects, and you'll see the best one is probably this Linux Journey, which I made extra credit because it uses somebody else's website and sometimes it's down. But the first thing you have to do is get some ability to use the Linux command line. So Linux Journey is the nicest one. You go here and there's a very nice page with whole chapters teaching you about Linux. So you click one of these, there's a page telling you about it, and then there's a quiz with a question. And you can tell if the answer is correct here, and then you can, I see, you can put it in a scoreboard, which I've taken off, and now I guess I need to put it back, don't I? I guess I'll put that scoreboard back here, so you can. You can't do this right away. I've taken down my scoreboard by accident. I'll have to put it back up just for this one class. I have to put a little bit of work into that. Anyway, the Linux Journey is quite helpful, and if you do it now, make sure and record your answers as you go, because to get points you have to put them in another system, which I'll set up later tonight. Anyway, that's one thing to give you some practice at Command Line Linux, and the other one you might want to do is W101, which is one I wrote, and here it has a tutorial you can read, and you'll just have to submit the flags in Canvas to get your answers. So let me point out the Canvas. This is where a lot of people get confused. If you go to Canvas here, you go to this page, and here it tells you about quizzes. The quizzes are here. I've already enrolled. Well, I'm the administrator, so I'm in everything. So you click here, you can view the course. That gets you here. Here's 129S. Here's the module. And so if you wanted to turn in W101, it's down here. So you click on this project, and you, I have to go to Student View. All right, see it the way you will see it there. So here you can start the assignment, and what you'll do is upload a screenshot. In this case, I think you just put in text. There's a place to put in screenshots and a place to put in text, but for this one, you just put in text. You'll find answers for each of these flags. So here's a question. You just have to answer each of these questions, which you can learn by reading this tutorial. And the Linux Journey is similar, although it is going to use an automated scoreboard, which I'm going to put back after this lesson. So that should get you started turning things in to Canvas. And after that, if you want to keep working ahead, after that, the next project is command injection and SQL injection. And pretty soon we'll be using Burp and the Web Security Academy, and that's what we'll use for almost the whole course. The Web Security Academy is a wonderful online resource with hundreds of interesting projects to do, and we'll spend most of the course doing those. But I have a few that my students have told me to leave in here just to get you started, doing a couple of simple attacks, and then we'll do the fancy stuff in the Web Security Academy. So that's it. You should start reading chapters in the book and taking quizzes in Canvas, and doing some of the hands-on projects and submitting them in Canvas. And if you have any questions, you can always come to me for help. I'm here Monday through Thursday. Just connect at 7:30. As you see, I usually try to finish all the official class material by about 7:30, and then at that time I can just answer any questions that come in from anybody. So you can ask. You do not have to wait for your class to come around. Just come anytime, any one of these classes at 7:30 with any questions you have, and I'll try and help you. So that's it for the recording.